Hello and welcome again to another tutorial. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can create a Kali Linux bootable pendrive. So if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. So let's start the video. Okay, so if you type Kali Linux on the Google Chrome or any browser, so you can find this particular website www.kali.org. Okay, so this is their official website. So you can just go to the link over here, and if you click on the download option, then from here installer image, okay, you can download this particular file. Okay, if you wanted to use 64-bit, you can select. This is for the 32-bit. Okay, and this is for the Apple Silicon. So you can download the others versions also. You can just click over here and it will be started downloading. So I already have a file of this ISO, so I'm not going to download again, but you can download it from here. So here is the file that I'm going to use. So now we are going to download a bootable image writer. You can use any bootable image writer file like Rufus, okay, Power ISO. You can use any of them, but personally I like this one. So this is the particular image write that I particularly use for Linux ISO files. You can use any of them. It's not required to use this particular only. You can use Rufus also if you want, but to make a Linux bootable ISO file, I prefer this one. It's open source, okay, and it's really easy for the new people who don't know much things, okay, about the file formatting and the other things. So this is a good option. If you go to the link, it will ask you to download. Okay, on this download options, if you click on the download option, then it will be like taking you here. You can select each and every assets from here. Like for Windows, I'm going to download this. If you're using Mac, you can use this, or if you are going to use this particular software for Linux, then you can use this. It's based on your operating system. I'm using Windows 10, so I'm going to use this particular one. So let me download. Okay, the file size is 174 MB. It's depend on your internet speed, so you can wait for a minute. Okay, the file is now downloaded. So let me open the file. Okay, so we are going to execute it by clicking on it. So okay, the application is now open. So from here we are going to select the image file, but if you wanted to use a URL of the ISO file, you can use this one. Or if you wanted to clone a drive, okay, and you can paste it to the particular pen drive or the image file that you're going to use, so you can use that from there. So let me put my flash drive. Okay, so now I'm going to select the image file first. So this is the file I'm going to select. Now as you can see, my USB drive is also selected automatically. You can change it from here if you like. Okay, now it's simply done. You just have to select the image file from here, select your flash drive that you are going to use from here, and then just flash. Okay, now it's starting. So it will take some time, and it will copy the image file that you're going to use on that particular USB drive. So it will take some time, and once it's done, your USB drive will be ready to use, and you can use that particular drive to install your Kali Linux. So if you find any value from this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel, and I'm going to see you to another video. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day.